actually a healthy lunchbox. Okay? The Soyami soy chips is recommended by the biggest user. I actually use it in camp for my contestants. I'm the one that determines the food inside the pantry for the first couple of weeks. But we've chosen Soyami soy chips as a healthy snack for the contestants. So the application, I wanted to show that it's not only for eating, no, for snack. Kasi what I want to show is that for an entire day, okay, you can provide healthy snack and a meal for your child or your husband. So it's a healthy lunchbox for school and office. So I have here a lunchbox. Yeah, the first one is the mid-morning. That's the recess, right? So we're going to have the Soyami soy chips cheese, and later I'm going to show you how to make the choco banana smoothie. Then we're going to have the mac and cheese using the pizza. Oh, that. And Soyami, because it has 3 variants. The natural, which we're going to use for making the tuna nuggets. If you see, the ones that I've chosen are actually favorites of kids. Mac and cheese, yeah? And yung nuggets, parang chicken nuggets na gusto nila. But that is really so caloric, it's almost empty of nutrients. So we're going to do what I call healthified versions of this. Ang secret kasi when it comes to children, what I call fortification. I'm not sure kung familiar kayo sa concept ng deceptively delicious o yung sneaky chef. Ginagawa nila, they sneak in vegetables dun sa food ng children para they don't really know. Ito kasi hindi sa akin. So they don't really know, lalo na yung mga ayaw vegetables. And another thing, it's required kasi if you feed your child or even an adult the whole day, may fruits and vegetables. So, while mas madaling kumain ng fruit, meron din talagang mga kids na ayaw ng fruits. So, I'm going to sneak that in also dun sa mga favorite breaks nila. I also do this for my clients because my specialty is really weight loss, right? I try to, there are so many clients that do not want to eat vegetables. Meron talagang, I do not like vegetables but I want to lose weight. But that's a non-negotiable when it comes not just to nutrient and health para sa mga bata, but also for weight loss. So, I apply the principle of fortification of the vegetables inside dishes as purees para hindi nila nalalaman